Good afternoon, my name is Jeremiah Shaver and I'm a multimedia reporter for the Jackson County Times-Journal. I'm out here off King Far Road where a combine has caught fire. An area farmer lost an important piece of farming equipment on Wednesday afternoon as he was trying to repair it. On Wednesday afternoon, the Jackson Fire Department responded to a fire in Franklin Township. At approximately 1:28 p.m. Wednesday, Jackson firefighters were dispatched to 45 King Far Road, where a 1992 New Holland combine was fully engulfed in flames. According to the Jackson Fire Department report, Randy Farr of Farr Farms was welding on the combine when it caught fire. The fire damage was contained to the equipment, but the Jackson Fire Department has ruled it as a total loss. Jackson Fire Department cleared the scene at approximately 2:34 p.m.